In our neighborhood, there's goats. Hello. Hello. Look.
It's friendly?
Yeah. But don't put it in like that. Put it in like this.
Why?
So it can sniff all your fingers and not try to attack them.
It recorded me eating it.
Turkeys, Mom. Eating what?
Alright, this is what's showing the ponies. Do you think that
I took some pictures. Mom, look at it. Guys, look at this one. It has a beard. Oh, it's sniffing me. Oh, it's licking me.
It just licked me! Like this?
Hey. Hey. Oh, hey, how about you? Huh? I'm gonna come in here and pet you. Oh, no? Okay. Mom, look at the babies.
Here. Bryce, you saw that? You scared me. Here you go. Billy. Come here, Billy. Billy. Stay right there.
Which one do you think is Billy?
The brown one. Nope. No, that's Willie.
Yeah.
And Billy the white one, right?
Aaron Gates. There's, okay, Nibbles, oatmeal cracker, Billy and Willie. Oh, that one pooped.
Hope. Seriously? Right there. I'm going to zip on.
It's okay, it's okay. Hey, Billy. Stop running. Stop running. Mom, you see that? There's a baby, there's a ground. Oh, cool. Has toes. 2 toes. Oh, Zion. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, Zion. It's okay. It's okay. What? Yeah. Yeah.
It's the baby. Oh, trying to ram me.
It's okay. Oh.
That thing trying to ram me,
No, I think it wanted you to pet it. Yeah, I just do this to these ones. Just.
I don't do it. I do this. Because she ran me before. It really hurt.
What, you do this? It's gonna hurt even more if they do it like that.
Oh. I'm gonna go home soon.
Okay.
You gonna come or you gonna stay?
I might come. One second, I'm gonna get some food.
I'll get it.
Food? No, you're not digging. How about you? Oh, Zion? Oh my gosh. Oh wow.
But Billy just wants Billy. Aren't they brother and sister?
They're both boys.
Wait, what?
Billy, Willie. How about you? You're disgusting.
I think I started. That's on the floor. Spare time.
I'm about to end this video. So, bye.